A social media post claiming that, as per Article 330 and 342 of the Indian Constitution, SC, ST, OBCs are not Hindus but are natives of India is being shared widely across platforms. Let us fact check this claim by looking at what these two articles say. Article 330 of the Indian Constitution deals with a few special provisions relating to certain classes. It provides for the reservations of seats for members of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the House of the People. According to this article, seats shall be reserved in the House of the People for the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes except the scheduled tribes in the autonomous districts of Assam and the scheduled tribes in the autonomous districts of Assam. Article 342 of the Indian Constitution deals with provisions related to the scheduled tribes. It states that the President may, with respect to any state or union territory and where it is a state after consultation with the governor thereof by public notification, specify the tribes or tribal communities or parts of or groups within tribes or tribal communities which shall, for the purposes of this constitution, be deemed to be scheduled tribes in relation to that state or union territory as the case may be. So, Articles 330 and 342 deal with the identification of certain tribes as scheduled tribes and providing reservation to members of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the House of the People. Also, there is no clause in these articles that states that SCs, STs and OBCs are not Hindus. Further, records of the Constituent Assembly debates show that during the formative stages of the Indian Constitution, debates took place between the members of the Assembly over the issue of religion. However, these debates were pertaining to issues like providing religious freedom and rights. There were no debates about which castes constitute the Hindu religion and which ones do not. In fact, there were instances where the framers of the Constitution referred to people from these sections of society as Hindus. For example, during a debate over Articles 300A and 300B, which deal with the inclusion or exclusion of certain castes, races and tribes from the list of SCs and STs, the members of the Constituent Assembly emphasized that members of the scheduled castes are Hindus. As the Indian Constitution does not say that the SCs, STs and OBCs are not Hindus, this post is fake.
When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.